If you ever need to write in Microsoft Word without using a keyboard, there's a simple built-in feature that can save you a lot of time. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Dictate in Microsoft Word so you can speak naturally and have your words typed out automatically on the screen. This is perfect if you want to work hands-free, reduce typing, or simply make writing faster and easier. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. Let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer and create a new document, or open an existing one where you want to start writing. Once your document is open, look at the top ribbon and find the Home tab. Microsoft places the Dictate feature there in most versions of Word, so this is the first place you want to check. If you're using Microsoft 365, you should see a microphone icon labeled Dictate. Click that button to turn it on. Before you start speaking, make sure your microphone is connected and working properly. If Word cannot hear you clearly, the dictation feature will not perform well. You may need to allow microphone access in your device settings or in your browser if you're using Word online. A good microphone and a quiet environment can make a big difference in accuracy. Once Dictate is active, start speaking clearly and naturally. Word will begin converting your speech into text almost instantly. You do not need to speak slowly like a robot, but you should enunciate your words well. Try to keep a steady pace and pause briefly between sentences if needed. The clearer your clarity, the better the results. Now, here's an important tip that makes dictation much more useful. You can say punctuation out loud. For example, if you want a period, simply say period. If you want a comma, say comma. If you want to start a new line, say new line. If you want a new paragraph, say new paragraph. This helps you format your document as you speak, instead of fixing everything later. For example, if you say, Microsoft Word makes voice typing easy, period. It can save time, comma, improve productivity, comma, and help you write hands-free, period. Word will type out the sentence with punctuation included. This is one of the biggest advantages of using Dictate because it lets you think and write at the same time. If Word gets something wrong, don't worry. You can always go back and edit the text afterward using your keyboard or mouse. Dictation is great for drafting, brainstorming, note-taking, and writing longer sections quickly, but you may still want to review the document afterward for small mistakes, especially names, technical terms, or complex words. You can also use Dictate for emails, reports, essays, meeting notes, and any other document where typing would normally take time. It's especially helpful if you have accessibility needs, a temporary injury, or just want a faster way to get ideas onto the page. The more you use it, the easier it becomes to speak in a way that works well with Word's speech-to-text system. If you want to stop dictation, just click the Dictate button again and it will turn off. From there, you can continue editing normally, save your file, and keep working however you like. That's really all there is to it. So to recap, open Microsoft Word, go to the Home tab, click Dictate, make sure your microphone is ready, and then speak your content while saying punctuation out loud when needed. It's a fast, simple, and powerful way to write without a keyboard. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more easy Microsoft Word guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.